GFCI that doesn't work anymore, so I'm going to replace this with a new one so they can have power in their kitchen. So let's get that going. All right, so as you can see, it's got power. All good, brand new, good. So we replaced two of these old blinds that were all broke up here. And we got two new ones here, boom. And there we go. All right, so these they use these anchors in the wall for the towel hanger, trash. So what I'm using are these, much better. And as you see, I've already drilled two in already. And show you how easy these are. They go right in, fill that little gap, and then much more strong. And when you get them in there, they kind of lift out and hold the wall as they go. When you put the screws in, that's what really gets them in there. Okay, so that fills those two holes. As you can see, boom, boom. Now they're gonna, once we put these screws in, that's what makes it expand and hold on. Let's get those screws and pull it in. Alrighty. Okay. Now, let's see here. So, alright. So the bracket goes like this. Just put that up there where you can, yeah, it's not really high enough. Let me see. Alright, so let's put this into the brackets. Put the bracket up like that. As you put that in, that pulls that anchor to the wall. It kind of breaks at the end. This kind of pushes it out so it has tension on it. And these won't slip out so easy. And they got a 50-pound weight, so perfect for a towel. Hear that little click? You put them in there. Really solid. Yeah, see? Real solid now. See that? Boom. Okay. Same over here. Get this bracket in. Okay. Okay. Then all right, so we just push that onto the framework, and there you go. It's on there, and it's solid now. As you can see, that's what you want, like that. All right, perfect.